Yeah, what's up, guys, and welcome to Forex Success. Okay, guys, before I get to start this video, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you guys. You guys are amazing. I mean, we are 30,000 subscribers right now, and it's all possible because of you guys. So, thank you very much, Forex Success. I truly do appreciate. Let's keep on going. Yeah, so, guys, today let's just talk about let's just have a chat. Like, it's not every time we learn, guys, but I must confess, like, right now I'm really down. I'm having a huge drawdown. On VIX10 index and step index. Remember, I gave this analysis that both of them are gonna drop, and right now the synthetic indices market, like, it's just so annoying this period. I don't know what's happening. Like, maybe deriv is just, they are just all against me, but I know we'll stand. Like, so I will first of all check out on this 10 index. Let me just show you guys what I'm actually doing right there. The trade is going against me for real. I have a trend line right here, and this trend line is my only what I just did. Okay, so guys, let me show you where this is a trend line. This trend line is my only hope right here. If this trend line is broken, guys, I'm broken. Like, if this trend line is broken to the upside, then I'll just close my positions on loss. But I'm just praying that this trend line should push back this market to the downside so that I can actually continue holding this trade. But if not, if I see a breakout of this trend line and a continuation, guys, I'm just gonna go out of it. Like, it's actually too much for me. I'm losing on this trade, and it's not friendly at all. It's not friendly. Like, the whole analysis just went against me. So I wasn't expecting this. I mean, it was coming down. I took profit. I took this trade around here. I took profit around this point. Then I saw this move. I was expecting for it to break to this support level right here after going up, trying to give me some moves to the downside. Then I took another set at this point. But then, guys, I saw a massive move to the upside. It was like Dave was just waiting for me, but all the ways, sometimes it's not always win. Sometimes we get to face stuffs like this. But guys, this is what I'm certain about. On the higher time frame, that is on the long run, guys, it's gonna drop. Remember, we started trading this guy from here, from this point where I started giving this analysis, and then it dropped down to this side, made some push to the upside again. I literally forgot about this trade. Then it came down again. So when I saw these moves to the downside, I decided to join again, and now it's moving against me. So guys, even if this trade breaks through this trend line right here and I'm out, I'm gonna be waiting for it. I'm just gonna relax and be waiting for it at this support level right here, because it's gonna bounce from there and continue this downtrend. What I'm certain about is that volatility 10 index is coming down at least to this line which I marked right here, this 6202 level. So I'm just gonna be waiting for it to get here. That is, if it takes me out from here, I'm gonna be waiting for it to touch this support level, this resistance level, and then I'll eat it all the way to the downside. Yeah, and if you check out from the monthly time frame, you'll see the analysis actually is very much correct. The red moving average crossed above the chart, which indicate a drop for the market. And then, guys, you can see the structure right here. Expecting this market to give us another move at least to this line. Then probably if it breaks that level, it's gonna come down to this point. Guys, please take this analysis seriously. It's gonna help you, especially the swing traders like myself. It's gonna help you know where you can take the trade to the next time. Yeah, so guys, just drop on the comment section. Let me know what you are trading. Let me know what you are holding right now. Just drop it on the comment section. Tell me what you are trading. Are you winning? Are you losing? Or what's happening on your trade, and how's trading be for you? So okay, before I forget, guys, make sure you use the link at the description below to create an account on Deriv so that you can start trading. That's if you don't know what we're trading, but even if you know what we're trading, you still use the link to create an account so you can start trading. So that's it, guys. And I said, please, guys, follow our Instagram. Like, we need to start going live on Instagram so we can do these things live. Yeah, as well as YouTube. Make sure you follow our Instagram account. Yeah, I'm gonna be active right there as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, let's see Stepindex. Like Stepindex is the most. It's like I'm not just happy right now with Stepindex. Stepindex, like I'm so good with Stepindex. I like Stepindex a lot. Stepindex is my best index, but guys, this Stepindex is actually making me angry right now. It's disappointing me. Stepindex betrayed my trust. Like guys, okay, look at this. Look at this. I'll start from the weekly time frame. Just look at my analysis. Though it's more clear on the desktop where I did the analysis. Actually did a video with that, but I didn't post it. Okay, this is it, guys. This is my trend line. Look at the first touch right here, another touch right here. This first touch dropped this market, this second touch dropped this market, guys, and this touched again. What is our prediction? That it should also drop this market all the way to the downside. But why is this guy, after confirming that, coming to the downside and we're all happy, why is he not going back again? What's wrong with Stepindex? That's my point here, guys. That's my point. What's wrong with it? Is it because I'm in the trade, or is it because you guys are on this trade? Why is it not going back? Man, do like the rest, guys. Do like this guy. He came down. Then why are you not going back? You should be dropping, man. So, like I also said, same thing for volatility 10 index. This trend line is actually my only hope right there. So if this trend line is broken, I really don't have any reason for holding this trade anymore. So I'm currently losing a lot on Stepindex. Yeah, actually I took profit on volatility 10 index, but Stepindex I didn't take profit. I was just waiting, and I was very certain that it's gonna come down. At least I was targeting here as my first take profit, then probably a low level at my final TP. But guys, this guy is really going against me, so I'm losing on Stepindex. So if I take it all the way to the daily time frame, I can see something right here. I can see this as a head and this as a left shoulder. And if this my trend line, this is my trend line, and if this my trend line is respected just as I predicted, it's gonna end up giving me a head and shoulder. And you guys know what that means. If it gives me a head and shoulder, that is, if this trend line is respected, it's gonna form a shoulder, a right shoulder right at this point. And then what am I going to expect? I'm going to expect a massive drop, at least an equivalent of the pips formed during the formation of this head and shoulder pattern, which is from this 815 level to 560 level, guys. So I think that's about 3, is it up to 300, 815, okay, let's say 250. So I'm gonna expect another 250 move to the downside if that head and shoulder patterns is actually accurate. So I'm gonna expect a move at least to this level. So that's actually what I'm waiting for. So that's what is still keeping me on this trade. Exactly. So once this head and shoulder is formed successfully, that is by respecting this trend line, guys, it's gonna drop like crazily. It's gonna drop, but let's just hope it happens that way, because if it doesn't hold this guy, if this trend line doesn't hold this Stepindex right here, guys, we'll be expecting this guy to go to this resistant level, and that will be like blowing an account, because it would be like blowing an account if I decide to hold it up to this level, man. It's crazy. I mean, this can be a take profit for me, taking the trade from here, this point to here. So I shouldn't be doing that. I mean, I should actually be seeing another direction of the market. But one thing I won't be doing is buying this Stepindex, because I know the overall move is gonna be set. So unless I see a reconfirmation, like breaking and retest of this trend to the upside, then I can actually consider buying it. But I can see this clearly as a manipulation of derivative. And also, why I'm actually saying this is actually buying, why I'm actually saying that it's buying, it's also because this is a new month. That's why I'm also trying to hold this trade, because As you can see, this is a new month, and let me zoom this out carefully. Guys, if you notice previously, the way, especially when the market is ranging, it forms candles, leaving them with a high wick, long wick, that is to the up or to the downside. Just like this, we got wicks right here, and this is a new month. Today is September 7th, right? Today is 7th of September exactly. So 7th of September, you can see the market is moving up right here. You can see there is no wick to the downside for this candle, so I'm expecting this candle to just give us some moves to the upside and then come down, even if it's still gonna go back again. But guys, at least it needs to form a wick to the downside, something like this. This is what is a wick. This, see this line where the market reaches and then go back. So I'm expecting it to form a wick to the downside, so that will give me a whole lot of money when it forms a wick. And even if the wick gets to be rejected at this level, that is actually my first take profit level, and then once it comes down again, my second take or final take profit level. So that's it. You can see the monthly, I just check out candlestick pattern alone, just candlestick pattern, and I'm expecting it to come down for a week. But the weekly time frame is actually was just really confusing me right now. It's not supposed to be going up, but it's going up. So this is why I saw about synthetic indices violating patterns. Like, this is why price action is not always enough sometimes to trade synthetic indices, because they do violate patterns. They violate patterns a whole lot of times. Yeah, that's true. So that's why indicators sometimes actually will help, you get. So for those of you saying indicators doesn't work, I really have nothing to say. Just believe on whatever works for you. That's what I know. Like, I don't try to be like any person. I don't try to do what other people are doing. I just do what I know is working for me. I mean, look at this right now. Look at our analysis is actually giving us a massive same. Look at the indicators right here. Look at this moving average crossing above it, giving a sell from this point. You see, and the same indicator crossing below right here, this same moving average, giving it a buy, and it's actually buying. But price action is giving us a sell to the downside, but it's actually buying as according to how the indicator said it's gonna buy. So you see, so sometimes guys, it's good to combine them. But guys, right on this trade, I'm very sure with my analysis that it's gonna drop. But guys, seeing this long bullish candle, I was like, what's happening? Okay, I felt okay, it's just one, maybe it's gonna continue moving to the downside. And then I saw another side from the daily candle. This happened today. Look at the push to the downside. So it's kind of confusing, but like I said before, like, if you want to trade, guys, always have an exit point. Like I said, on this trade, I have an exit point right here, which is if this trend line that is actually that this market is currently reacting to, if it's broken, then I'm gonna take off my profit, my trade. I'm gonna take off the trade on loss. Yeah, I'm currently losing right there, so I'm gonna take it off if that trend line is broken. So exactly what I'm gonna do. So if you are still holding this trade, guys, just make sure you don't give up. Actually, don't give up on this, and just, you can also use this as an exit point, just to make sure you protect your account so that you can come back, because it's actually game over when your account get blown. But if your account is still alive, then it's not a game over, it's just a loss. You can also make that profit back again. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. And I'm actually sorry if the sound of this video is actually not that good. I mean, they are holding a crusade just very close to my house, so the sound from the crusade is it should be entering this video. I mean, you should be able to hear a girl singing. So maybe I'll go and join them. Let me just praise my God. Let me use that to keep myself happy from what Stepindex and VIX10 is doing to me right now. I just stand up, go to my office, go to my trading office, and see what's happening with Stepindex. Come back again, check my phone. I mean, the guy is just so disappointing. So that's it, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Make sure you hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified after so you'll be notified when I drop a new video.